Next mission, the Typhoo Tea Factory, Birmingham. Okay, there's the main gate. It's a bit tall. It's cut in here, man. I'm thinking the way in is over there, but there are people around, so we're going to scope it out. Oh, mate, that fucking honks. That's actually quite fresh. Oh yeah. Oi! Anyone in there, do you think? Or is that dripping? Here we go. We're going for it. It's now or never. We're art students. We're taking photos. Yeah. Here we go. Look at that for an entrance. That makes me think this is used, mate, by dodgy folk. I'm expecting to possibly bump into some junkies, some smackheads, some old school friends of mine. But this looks like a point of entry. Look, this definitely looks like people have come down here. We thought this was a fence, one that we couldn't get past. We were wrong. Mate. Look at that, mate. Wow. That's where they made the tea bags. That's it, isn't it? That's how you get in. You going for it? Oh, Ben's going for it. Oh my God. He's feeling adventurous. Question is anyone in this building? Are there any smackheads residing in here? I knew there'd be a way. Okay, well, we need to get a weapon. That's not good enough, mate. I don't reckon there's anyone in here, but you never know. Whether it's structurally safe is another question. Wow.
To think this was like bustling with people.
I know.
Working.
Brummies. Ooh. There's got to be people living in here. Isn't there? Ben's getting his weapon. I don't blame him. That's a classic dick.
This looks like it could have been like a cafeteria.
Yeah. Oh God, yeah. Yeah, this is the cafeteria.
That's an extractor fan there.
Yeah. Toilets. It's incredible, isn't it? I wonder when this closed down.
Well, and it's a period of just deterioration. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Every window's been smashed.
Yeah.
Every wall has been graffitied.
Yeah. You're talking at least 25 years.
There's nothing here, is there?
Well, we're here in broad daylight, and it's amazing.
Do you hear that?
Yeah, I think it's outside.
Should we try and go open the door?
Yeah. Fuck. Shit. Look at those big steel girders, British steel. that a pond? Oh my god. Any fish? Yeah. Well, we're really at the top now. We're actually visible as well, which ain't good. There's Birmingham. What a spectacular factory. That's all I can say. Oh god, yeah. Fucking hell. That is gnarly as fuck. It's about as high as we can go, I think. Unless you had another ladder. Okay, we're keen to leave soon, but we're gonna go down a level. Quite literally. We can't get out over there. Should we do one? Yeah. Huge place there. I wonder if it goes down any further. Hopefully, we can slip out without a trace.
It's quite high up here.
In it, bro. In it, fam.
In it, fam.
Roger Federer.
Oh no.
What was that?
There's my house keys. Seriously.
Oh boy. As much as we'd like to get out of here, Ben needs to find his house keys that he dropped. To me it sounded like this area.
Like it bounced on glass and needles and...
Yeah, that's the thing, isn't it? Oh. Oh, yes. Get in. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Right, please.
Yeah, let's do it. Nice. Great timing, though. Well, it was foraging last week.
Breaking and entering this week.